guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel once again, and today I am here with you a new notification. So this notification has been released by Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, and IISc Bangalore actually inviting application for 15 teaching positions. And let me tell you, there are 4 positions among those 15 positions in physics, and you do not need CSI, NET, GATE, JEST, or any exam to appear or to apply for this position. You just need MSc in physics, and they didn't even mention the percentage of marks, but you can consider like 60% will be that marks. Age limit is 30 years. You must be below 30 years, and what you will be given emoluments will be rupees 25,000 plus HRA per month. After 2 years, the salary will be 28,000 plus HRA per month. HRA means home rent allowance, like whatever expenses you will have for staying somewhere, you will be given that. For candidates selected through national eligibility test or GATE, emoluments will be higher, 31,000 per plus HRA, and after 2 years it will be 35,000 plus HRA. So it is equivalent to JRF. If you have JRF, GATE, or just anything else, then you can apply. If you don't have, then also you can apply. It's a great opportunity, guys. Those who have strong passion in teaching, they can apply for these positions. Let me talk about the duration, for how long you can continue this job. Engagement is purely temporary on a contract basis, initially for a period of 1 year. If you perform good, then it will be extended up to 5 years. So you can see this is gonna be a great opportunity for the students or for the aspirants who have strong passion for teaching. Okay, what about the selection procedure? Selection will be based on a test plus an interview. So I hope in that test they will set an exam paper of the level of GATE exam generally. Shortlisted candidate which will be conducted at the institute. You have to go to IISc Bangalore for the interview or for the test, and the dates will be notified in this website isc.ac.in. Now, let me tell you about the submission of online application. You can apply for it. The last date is 1st of December 2022. So only few days are left. You can apply by visiting this link https://recruitment.iisc.ac.in/temporary basis. You can just click on this PDF here, then you will get. I will share the PDF on our Physics Hub Telegram group. The Telegram ID is Physics Hub HYSSHUB1. If you search it with this, you will get our Telegram channel and you can download this PDF from there. No hard copy submission are required. It's totally online, and if it is necessary, then you will also be maybe interviewed via electronic media of like Zoom call or Microsoft Team, and some other important informations are there. So I have just explained the main things so that you can apply for it. It's a good opportunity, guys. Those who could not qualify JRF, you have just passed MSc and you are looking for some financial assistance. This is going to be a very good opportunity for you, because even if you leave this place maybe after 3-4 years, you will have a good CV. You can use this experience to apply somewhere else, and when an institute like IISc will be giving you some certificate, that will be like of good value. So apply for it if you are interested. Okay, but those who have already cleared JRF, CSR NET JRF, I will not recommend them. I will recommend them to go for direct PhD. That is better. If you don't have NET GATE set and you are in an urgent need of some financial assistance, then you can go for it. Okay, with this note, I'm ending the video here. If you have any doubt, clarification, or suggestions, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out wholeheartedly. This is all for this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you do not want to miss any such notifications in near future, just press the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, JEST, IIT-JRF, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSR NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code FELIXUP, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.